Well, 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 what do we have here? Could it possibly be another pre-departure beverage? Did Delta just go 2 for 2? I don't know, let's find out. Hey, and welcome back to another flight review. Today we're back on Delta Airlines, operated by Compass, and we're going from DFW to LAX. We're sitting in first class, and we're in seat 2A. The plane we're on today is an Embraer ERJ-175. It's a small plane and has a total capacity of 76 seats, but the first class cabin is pretty big and it seats 12. Here's a little bit closer view of the seat. It has a 20-inch width, and the pitch for the seat is 37 inches. One of the advantages of flying on a small plane like this in first class is that the seat configuration is in a 1-2 layout. I'm sitting on the A side of the plane, so that means I have no neighbors, just the aisle and plenty of room. One of the downsides of this plane, there was no seat back TV. But on the other hand, the legroom on this seat is insane. I could stretch all the way out and still had plenty of room. I'm only 5'8", but I think this seat's gonna be good for almost any height. Once again, walking up to the seat, there was a pillow and a blanket waiting for me. Not even sitting down for a few minutes, the flight attendant already started passing out bottles of water. I placed it on this cool little drink table on the armrest. Still looks sketchy, but I'm gonna use it. The service unit on this plane is pretty standard, nothing like that cool one on the A319. If you look on your left-hand side, right below you, your armrest, you'll find the power connection, and they have a USB and a universal outlet. And it's also pretty dirty down here. If you guessed they served a pre-departure beverage, again, you are correct. I just can't get enough of this service. I just think it really shows attention to detail and care for your passengers. This was carried out rather quick, and I really enjoy it. And I'm having the Prosecco once again. It's not bad, it's pretty tasty. The tray table on the A side is stored in your right-hand armrest. Usually that kind of makes the seat a little tight, but with this, you didn't really notice it at all. It folds out and you can do a little half table, or you can fold it out for a decent sized table. The only gripe I have about the tray table is it kind of bends to a V. It's not flat and it feels a little unstable. Now to look out the window, get some Ab Geek action going on. This plane's about to take off. Shortly after takeoff, meal service began with the beverage service. I got a Bacardi and Coke, and then after they dropped that off, they came back with a nice warm hot towel. The quality of the towel was pretty nice. Unfortunately, there is no menu for this lunch service. The complimentary beverages and the alcoholic choices can be found on one of the last pages of the Delta in-flight magazine. And since Delta is kind of differentiating themselves with service, I think an in-flight menu would go far. For lunch, I got the corned beef sandwich on rye bread. Came with a cookie. It also came with some chips, and then I refreshed my Bacardi and Coke. And if you look in the seat back pockets, you can tell I'm using almost every single pocket. Even though the sandwich doesn't look like much, it was actually really good and tasty. The tomatoes were nice and fresh and red. It was overall a good sandwich. The sandwich definitely tasted better than it looked. It kind of could have been a lot better. I kind of would have preferred maybe a salad with some shrimp, or maybe like a hot pasta or a hot option, but this got the job done. Here I am again ordering another coffee. It's also provided by Starbucks and it's pretty good. Are you guys coffeeholics like me? I go through like almost 10 cups a day. About an hour or so left till we arrived in LA. The flight attendants came by for one more part of the service. It was the snack basket. I actually really liked it. There was a lot of stuff in it. They had Biscoffs, breakfast squares, Ritz crackers, little chocolates, brownie bites, nuts. It was really cool. I wish American had something like this. Well, this wraps up this flight review for Delta First Class through Compass on an Embraer ERJ-175. My overall impressions, I thought it was really cool. I really like the layout of the 1.2. If you have the option, definitely choose the A size so you can sit by yourself. It's super spacious. And I thought the flight attendants were really great. The food was really good. Once again, the cookie would be a lot better if they warmed it up, but hey, it is what it is. And also that snack basket at the end, I really thought that was awesome. But I had another great flight on Delta, and I'll probably be taking them more in the future. What are your guys' thoughts? So if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. If you hated it, hit thumbs down. Leave any questions, comments, or concerns down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, y'all.